Hi, Theo here. In this video I'm going to show you how to scrape Instagram tagged photos. We're basically going to turn this section of an Instagram profile into a structured dataset in a format of your choice. You'll get the post URL, caption, and author's username. You can also scrape engagement metrics like comments, their count, and likes. Last but not least, you can extract hashtags, owner IDs, and info about sponsored posts. To do this, we're going to be using the ready-made Instagram tagged post extractor from Apify store. First, go to the link in the description, which will take you to the README of the Instagram Mentions API. Hit Try for Free, which will prompt you to create a free Apify account. No credit card required. You'll now be taken to the actor's input page. You can choose to either set up the input via our intuitive UI or via JSON. We're going to go with the manual view. To scrape Instagram mentions, all you need is the username of the account. Input it into this box. You can add more profiles via the Add button, or you can edit them in bulk. Then just limit how many posts you want to scrape. Before running your actor, we suggest saving your configuration and creating a task. This will come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor using the Start button. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Now that our run is finished, we can get our data via the Export button. You can choose your desired format and pick the fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then just hit Download and you have your dataset file. For instance, here's our data in JSON opened up in a new tab. If you want to automate your workflow further, you can schedule your Instagram tagged post finder to run at regular intervals. Choose your task, hit Schedule, and specify the frequency of your runs. You can also connect your Instagram mention scraper to other cloud services and apps such as Google Drive, Zapier, or other Apify actors. And if you want to run the scraper locally via API, you can do that too. You'll find the code in Node.js, Python, or Curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. If you're interested in scraping more in-depth Instagram data, such as comments, profiles, or posts, you'll find a link to different Instagram scrapers from Apify store in the video's description. You can also watch our tutorials on various Instagram actors by clicking on the card above. And that's all for now. Let us know what you think about this Instagram scraper in the comments. And remember, if you come across any issues, make sure to report them to our developers in Apify console. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.